Hey everybody, so today we are talking about the MagSafe Wallet. Now I know Apple has recently came out with a brand new one. It's got that Find My feature in it. It's actually out for delivery right now. I cannot wait to get it. But I thought it'd be a good time to talk about, is it worth it? Is it worth the money? Like how well it's held up, all that great stuff. Because carrying 3 cards, is that enough? So let's go ahead and talk about it. So here we are 10 months later, and I still love it. I do. I love this wallet. And I know the biggest hurdle is the fact that it can only carry 3 cards. It's not the best at carrying cash. When I need cash, I do have another minimal wallet that I use, and I have used that instead of this one at times, like when I went on vacation and stuff like that. When I know I'm gonna have cash more often, it's small enough. You take the 3 cards out, you put them in your other wallet, and you go. It's not that big of a deal. But overall, 95% of the time, I have been using this MagSafe wallet attached to my iPhone, and hands down, it is the best MagSafe accessory Apple has made to date until the new one, because the new one has the Find My feature. Personally, I keep a payment card, my insurance card, and my driver's license, because I know Apple's making that driver's license thing for the iPhone. It's not available in my state yet. I love this thing. I mean, it is perfect for my daily use. I have everything I need right in there, and then I also have Apple Pay if I need to use a different card. Over these 10 months, it has shown some age. I do have the Saddle Brown one, so Saddle Brown always ages, and I love the way it ages. It looks great to me. Like, it's got the darkened edges around it, a couple little scuff marks here and there. The one thing that does concern me a little bit is around the edges is like a little covering. I don't know what this is, but that has like kind of pushed into the wallet itself and covered up the stitching at times. So obviously whatever that is that covers the edges of the leather is eventually going to come off. All I've done is just kind of picked what has covered the stitchings off as it pushes in, and that's all I've done so far. I don't want to actually just kind of like cut the stuff off. The wallet has held up amazingly well. It has never fallen off my phone in my pocket. It stays where it's supposed to. It comes off when I want it to and goes right back in. I can do it without even pulling my phone out of my pocket now. I just plop it off, put it right back, attach it to the phone, no problem. Phone stays in my pocket. It is great. This is hands down the best MagSafe accessory Apple has made to date. That includes the battery case. This thing has held up very well. So if that new one is tempting you, I highly recommend it. I have it, like I said, it's out for delivery right now. I will be doing a video on it, and if you want to see that, it'll be right up here when it's available. Or if you want to see this one when it was brand new, click right up here to see that one. And please, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. God bless.